Come on, let's go pee pee. I need to touch the grass. My nervous system. My nervous system is fucked. Yeah. Chloe, good girl. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Come on, Mama. Oh, look. I put my anklet on. I mean, it's a necklace, but I made it an anklet because I got a new necklace. It's the same one. See? Cute. Grow up now because you ate grass. And grass upsets your stomach. Oh, gosh. It's so what? Oh. Go inside. Okay, well. What? 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 Something need to be cut or moved or something. What? Something need to be cut or moved. What do you mean? See, watch how it goes. And what do we call that? Modification. I don't know how to do it. Do we need to clip this off? Yes, but you need electrical tape probably. You heard me? Well, that's scary. You heard me? We need electrical tape. Oh. Not for you. After you can modify it. To be able to keep it together. Do you like the name Luna or Spirit? I like the name Spirit. Because her eyes look like a spirit. Don't they? Oh. I love our little car lot we have out here. Don't you? Here we have a 2012 Chevy Impala. It's gray. Been through some hurricanes, seen some things. Here we have a 2023. Is that right? Huh? Yeah. 2023 Nissan Maxima. Platinum. Chevy Impala. I'm about to go get my phone. We're about to do a tour. Oh. Watch out! Where's your sling? Hmm? Let's go get your sling. Come on. Let's go find it. Bam! Meow. Kitty. Oh, so sweet. Oh, my so sweet. Okay. Really? Get comfy. You real tinky, mama. You real tinky. Shoe you stink, motherfucker. You tinky. Tinky, mama. She ready to go. Not me getting scared because of the tree. You seen that? What? How do you do that? I don't know. What do we need to do right here? I don't understand what needs to happen. It needs to go in there?
Yeah.
So it'll go in there as long as this back piece will be off of it?
But this is not it.
What? Oh.
Look, this goes in here properly.
Mm-hmm. Let's see the other one. Did you? No, but I'll Google it.
Do it now.
Yeah. Wow, I didn't even see it. Oh. Cute. Here, don't leave this right here. Put this in your toolbox. Get the trash right. Where's the other trash bag? Sit up. Okay, anyways, as I was saying, so we have a 2012 Chevy Impala, 2023 Chevy Nissan, Nissan Maxima Platinum. Then we have a Chevy Impala, if you will, 2017. Then we have a 2022/21 Chevy Silverado. Platinum. LTZ, I mean. Get me a sleepy time pill. Oh shit. We need to go on a ghost investigation. Right, Scooby-Doo? Really, Scooby?